All right, guys, Rough Country giveaway update. We have sold over 50% of the shirts that have been ordered. Rough Country Week is next week, March 12th. The contest ends March 30th, so get out there, order your Rough Country shirts, get entered to win. If you haven't heard, giving away 2 lift kits. We're gonna have 2 winners. First place winner is going to get $1,500 towards a lift kit of their choice from Rough Country and $1,000 worth of Rough Country accessories. Second place winner is just going to be getting the lift kit, $1,500 value, up to $1,500 value lift kit. First week of April, we're going to be going live to announce the 2 winners. So be sure to check in and be there when we announce your name, so you can cry on Facebook Live. It'll be cool. Apparently, I have to be there. The contest ends March 30th. Get your t-shirts. Catch a lift. Stop filming.